it's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had
I think we're, it's like
the district's
gonna paint so.
Hey. Yeah, I'm on a walk right now. We're at Penny Park. Just walking the dog. Yeah, I know about the meeting. I'll be there probably about an hour. Okay. Cool. Bye, Tony.
the district's
Gonna paint so much.
we had
I think we're
I'm excited.
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had
I think we're
I'm excited.
Hey, babe. Yeah, just walking the dog. How was your day? Good? I'll be home in a bit. But I'll call you back, all right? Love you. Bye. Come on.
it's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had
I think we're it's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had
I think we're it's like
the district's
Hey. Yeah, I did it. It's all done. You don't have to do anything else. Yeah, so you're done. It's cool. Okay, all right. Cool, well, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
not that I
it's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
we had
Hey. Yeah, I got the gossipy, man. Yeah, I got a meeting in a little bit with Tony, so I'm gonna have to call you back, all right? We'll talk later. All right.
Man,
not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
man,
not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint so much.
man.
not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint so.
Hey. Yeah. I'll be like maybe like 5 minutes late. That's it. So don't worry. I'll just be like 5 minutes late. Yeah. All right. I'll see you then. Bye bye.
couple NA
Man,
not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint.
couple NA
man,
not that I
It's like
the district's
gonna paint.
couple NA
man.
not that
Yeah. Hey. No. 5 minutes late. Really. It's not gonna be a big deal. Don't worry. There's no need to worry. Don't worry. I'll be. Just assume me 5 minutes. All right. Yeah. Bye.
it's then we couple NA
Man,
not that I
It's like
the district's it's then we couple NA
man,
not
Hey. Yeah. No. It is. Yeah. 5 minutes, man. 5 minutes. Yeah. I've been coming here for years. Don't worry. Yeah. See you at 5 minutes. That's it. All right. I'll see you then. Bye.
we don't really have it's then we couple NA
man.
not
Hey, Matthew. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. I don't think. Yeah. Probably not. I don't know. It's probably not the best time to talk. I'm kind of lost, I think. Yeah. I got that meeting with Tony soon, so I got to figure this out. All right, I'll call you back. Bye.
Nisha,
I don't really have it's then we couple NA
man,
not that I
Nisha.
Hey. Yeah. I think it might be best if you get dinner tonight. Yeah. So can you just pick it up? All right, good. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. All right, love you. Bye.
Yellow.
Nisha,
I don't really have it's then we couple NA
man,
Yellow.
Nisha.
I don't really have it's
Hey, no, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm kind of lost. Yeah. So, I don't think I'm gonna make the meeting. I'm sorry. Can you get in the ride? All right. Thanks. All right. I'll see you then. All right. Bye.